What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find the linearization of f of x equals to 2 over 1 minus x plus square root of 1 plus x minus 3.1 at x equals to 0. So we know linearization is approximation function. So we take the complicated function and try to have a simpler approximation function because it's going to be better to use. Y equals to f of a plus f prime a times x minus a. That's the general formula for linearization approximation function. So f of a is f of x when x is equal to 0, because the point here is 0, which is going to be 2 over 1 minus 0 plus square root of 1 plus 0 minus 3.1. So it's going to be 2 plus 1 minus 3.1. That's going to be negative 0.1. Then you have f prime x equals to 0. Derivative of it is going to be negative 2 times negative 1 divided by 1 minus x squared plus derivative of square root of 1 over square root of 1 plus x, which is going to be 1 over 2 root 1 plus x. Derivative of negative 3.1 is going to be 0. So then you put x equals to 0. It's going to be plus 2, 1 minus 0, which is 1 to the power of 2 is 1, plus 1 over 2 times 1 plus 0. So it's going to be 2 plus 1 over 2. That's going to be 2.5. So when you sub it in the formula, it's going to be y equals to negative 0.1 plus 2.5 times x minus 0, which is going to be 2.5x minus 0.1. It's going to be equals to y. So that's the approximation function. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I get back to you as soon as possible. I will leave some related videos and playlists in description in case you need extra practice question. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can have access to many other videos regarding differentiation, integration, and other topics in calculus, physics, and chemistry. Thank you for watching and have a great day.